advantages of CRT mode. The first one is called as hardware efficiency. Since this CRT mode is not following the chaining modes, so the encryption and decryption can be done in parallel. That means the multiple blocks of plain text or ciphertext can be processed at the same time and get the output. Here, the throughput is only limited by the amount of parallelism that is achieved. That means chaining mode, parallelism depending on the process of the previous block. But here more than one block process at the same time, so the amount of the parallelism is depending on the hardware. Next one is called as software efficiency. Because of this opportunity for parallel execution in CRT mode, processors that support parallel features such as aggressive pipelining, multiple instruction dispatch per clock cycle, a large number of registers, and SIMD instructions can be effectively utilized. The third one is called as pre-processing. Here, pre-processing. The execution of the underlying encryption algorithm does not depend on the input of the plain text or ciphertext. When the plain text or ciphertext input is presented, the only computation is a series of XOR, greatly enhancing the throughput. If you have sufficient memory available in your system and you have provided some security, you maintain some security, you can pre-process the encryption process as well as decryption process can be done. Whenever you got the plain text or the ciphertext, the output of this encryption will be XORed to get the output. So pre-processing is available in this CRT mode. Your system already processed the encryption technique. Whatever the plain text or ciphertext you got, you just XORed with the output of the encryption. It will increase our throughput. Next one is called as the random access. The block of plain text or ciphertext can be processed in random access fashion. Here each block is executing independently, so we can execute any block at any time. There is no need of sequentially processing the data. But we do not need to cipher or encrypt or decrypt in block by block, because the processing of the next block is not depending on the processing of the previous block. Each block execution is independent, so random access is possible. The next one is called as provable security. It can be shown that CRT is at least as secure as the other modes discussed in this section. This CRT mode is almost give the same security as the other mode. Simplicity. This mode requires only the implementation of encryption algorithm. There is no any decryption algorithm in the CRT mode. We have only encryption algorithm for both encrypt as well as decrypt. So it's very simple.